Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete or remove WordPress website from Hostinger hPanel. So guys, let's get started. To delete or remove WordPress website from Hostinger hPanel, at first you need to log in your Hostinger hPanel. Then go to websites. You will find the website list here. Now, which website you want to delete, go to three dot. Click on three dot. See, have delete button. Just click on delete button. Here is a pop-up. Delete website. This will permanently delete your website and all related site data. This action cannot be undone. So, I understand that all data stored on this website and its subdomains, including the features value, will be lost and cannot be recovered. Orders list, databases, images, custom code. So if you agree, just click on I understand here and press on delete button. Just I'm going to press delete button. Okay, your website freelancerabdulmannan.shop is being deleted. It can up to 10 minutes for your site to be deleted. Already done. Website was removed. So now I am click on done button. This is the process how to delete or remove your WordPress website. If you guys helpful this video, click on like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you again next video.